Almost every driver thinks they understand their car, but the truth is, most people are making small mistakes every single day that slowly destroy their vehicle. And the worst part? You don't notice the damage until it turns into an expensive repair. Today, I'll show you 10 simple car hacks that can save you money, improve performance, and make your car last years longer. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one alone can save you hundreds. Number 10. Cheap Tire Makeover Trick. Look at your tires right now. If they look faded and grey, most people buy expensive tire shine products. But there's a simpler trick. Use black shoe polish, paste type. Apply it with a cloth, let it sit, then wipe it off. You'll get a clean matte finish that lasts longer and doesn't splash everywhere like sprays. Number 9. Fix worn pedals in seconds. Your brake and gas pedals go through constant pressure. Over time, they dry out, crack, and even become slippery. Here's an easy fix. Rub a small amount of petroleum jelly into the rubber. It restores flexibility and removes that annoying squeaky feel. Just don't over-apply. Keep the grip intact. Number 8. Window Reset Trick. If your power window is acting weird, stops halfway, or doesn't auto-close, don't rush to a mechanic. Try this. Hold the window button down, then keep holding for 3 seconds. Then pull it up, then hold again for 3 seconds. This resets the system and often fixes the issue instantly. Number 7. Clean battery terminals at home. That white buildup on your battery, it can stop your car from starting. Instead of paying for cleaning, pour a little soda over the terminals. It reacts with the corrosion and breaks it down. Then clean and dry properly. Simple and effective. Number 6. Use hidden trunk hooks. Ever had groceries spill in your trunk? Most cars already have built-in hooks. You just never noticed them. Use them to hang bags and keep everything in place. It's a small feature, but super useful. Number 5. Remove paint damage. Safely, bird droppings or tree sap can damage your paint fast. Scrubbing makes it worse. Instead, use a mild baking soda paste. Apply gently. Wait a minute. Then wipe off. It neutralizes the chemicals without scratching your paint. Number 4. Restore headlights at home. Foggy headlights reduce visibility and make your car look old. Instead of expensive kits, use regular white toothpaste. Rub it in for a couple of minutes, rinse, then apply a bit of wax. Your headlights will look noticeably clearer. Number 3. Prevent rust. Easily, rust starts where you can't see it. Door edges, undercarriage, wheel areas. A light protective spray, like moisture-repelling lubricant, can slow this process. Apply it occasionally, especially before winter. It's not a cure, but it's powerful prevention. Number 2. Fix windshield glare. If your windshield looks clean but blinds you in sunlight, that's residue buildup. Mix water plus vinegar and wipe the glass. It removes invisible film and improves clarity instantly. Number 1. The fuel pumping mistake. Almost everyone makes this mistake at gas stations. Filling fuel at full speed feels faster, but it can stir up impurities from storage tanks. Over time, that affects your fuel system. Instead, pump at a slower rate. It's a small habit, but it helps keep your engine cleaner and running smoother. Most of these tricks cost almost nothing, but ignoring them can cost you a lot. Start using even a few of these, and you'll notice the difference in your car's performance and lifespan. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next video might save you even more money.